Why is it just so quiet in here? Like, seriously. Are you asleep? Yes. Okay. I wonder what Knuckles went. I wonder where Knuckles went. I don't know, man. I think he's coming back. Just give it like 3 seconds. Alright, let's wait. See. Me boom boom clap. I fell. Guys. Me boom boom. Hello once again, humans with aliens. Who was at the door? Amy, leave us alone. No. Why can't you just leave us alone? I live here. Oh, I forgot. Where were you? My friends. Okay, I broke character. I was at my friend's house. Oh. Okay. Sorry about that. What are you trying to do? Get it! Let's get that on video. Why not? Get the camera. Okay, the camera's set up. Let's see it. Alright. Watch it as live stream. No, leave me alone. If you don't kiss me, I'm gonna hit you with a hammer. Oh, well. Guys, I survived. Nice. The end. Stay up. Okay, we survived. Tails, why are you so silent? I don't know. Bye, guys.